Patumi aru ni phain kora troxier ni ani kang sampor phai troxia por malom diphu along kedo the yellow tree cafe along Kingswood Music Studio pen ke patir pipon music concert along international Yamaha Artist Nise Meruno kachetong don Kingswood Music Studio hempu jivan ingti pena joksi kedam tang penang anar ni pen music anat aning ke hangamu mara tuma phan than ponsi aning parung pon bomlo Kingswood Music Studio along piano pe chenglok classical guitar violin lapen western classical music ke chole abar sai setami mumara phan pipon bomlo lapen aphong thekser musician atuma phan phaponsi kacharli amumara tuma phan music anat aning ke hang ang thekta thek pon longlo Lason si patumi aru ni phain kora troxier ni ani kang sampor phai troxia porben dipholong kedo the yellow tree cafe along music concert padosi bangsolong mumara tumpen kethega son do an chipaklang pon lapen kachopapon international Yamaha Artist Nise Meruno lapen mangai phom pen tami jumisen asyang tongpen raraphan parjupon Kingswood Music Studio hempu jivan ingtipen ke pachini ke labang so ajai me kedeng pon lake non ki thurmia ovia tum stami western classical music anat aning ke hang atum do nasila hai ke charli abar sai ki pj aphansi nili klempon lo nonamat banging koi sociatum ladak ke charli atum do lapen apor music ke thexera tuma phan hangsi mumara tuma phan aning ke parunga sai setami klempon bombosi ningje
nang chitong dun pini lapen along tum stame penang aning arong pono lapen aning arong chot kli alang tum da penang chali ponong no busi alang tum pen stame chethan pono
Kingswood Music Studio long pan chali studio
non present ke nilong bangkre troxy bagdu stame admission nang NG potum da dolang stame ala bangke hisab sidelo wangji potum ta do
sarang ide non kitumi ari so jang ke mumor manang CMSS bikan tu manang music pe nang si or side also Mrs.
Oh itum penang atum ke dak music pen our sai avi son simatha tha athema itum ke professionally trained dagali amasi itum penang ang deng lepo ange lapen abisi ke itum stagnant nason dokok pa ma senge puta lele po senge music career jut ko son se thaglong same itum non le doctors engineers course ke nason le itum ta music le course and pamika pulote itum career bang ke do lapen ta itum kicho kerengji phan ke our side do
Harapu international Yamaha Artist Nise Meruno pen ke pachini ke dipurong supielom ke wang pen ning insam pik atheladak mumaratum music anat aning ke hangatum duo lasila anso se chepaduk pen pirthe adang along ka pacha thangdunja phanta bor iponang pobuta ningje
Hello everyone, I am Yamaha Artist Nise Meruno and it is truly a pleasure for me to visit Dipu and to be able to share the gift of music with all the music lovers and the young upcoming talents. This is my first time here in your beautiful city and I hope this will not be my last trip. I really want to encourage and let all the young musicians know that to be able to achieve their dreams, first of all, they need to carry and nurture a beautiful heart. When you have a beautiful heart, then your beautiful art will definitely follow. So I want to encourage you all to first become a beautiful and wonderful, kind, loving human being.
News report Longsoda Ringti Caribbean Live